digitalfilipino.com. You're watching the Khoa Bui Show.
Hi everyone, welcome to the Khoa Bui Show. I'm here with the awesome Janette Toral.
Hi Khoa, thank you very much for having me in your program.
No problems. And for those who don't know who you are, could you please give us a bit of background about what you do and some of the things that you've done?
My name is Janette Toral. I'm from digitalfilipino.com. Digital Filipino is an e-commerce resource website. We're promoting e-commerce, digital marketing, and digital leadership in the country.
Wow. And I've also been to the events and your workshops in the past. It's fantastic. You've got so many people as well.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. And have you got any other workshops that you've got planned this year as well?
I've been doing a roadshow series. We've been focusing on doing a lot of e-commerce bootcamps, digital marketing bootcamps, and we'll also be doing digital leadership bootcamps. It's all part of our program of building a digital influencers community in the country. And at the same time, we're investing in 100 startups.
Wow.
We're very active, and it is something we're going to do in the next 7 years.
I can see that you're really passionate on doing all your projects and you're teaching people as well. What can people expect from going to your workshops?
I think what people can expect is that we're offering this program at a very affordable price. Our price point at the moment is around 1,000 pesos. Of course, it may increase a little bit, but it won't be too much because the idea there is to make it as affordable as possible, targeting at people who are selling through free networks, and hopefully it will give them ample knowledge so that they can be confident enough in terms of leveling up their e-commerce and digital marketing.
Fantastic. So if they need to know more about e-commerce, about building up, leveling up as well, check out your workshops.
Yes, they can visit digitalfilipino.com, and if they want to become part of our community, they can join the digitalfilipinoclub.com.
Excellent. Okay, so we're here at the Metro Deals party tonight.
Yes.
Yeah.
Very excited.
Yeah, I heard that you're a good friend of Ralph as well.
Yes, because like you, Ralph is also a Digital Filipino Club member, so we're here to give our full support to Ralph Launch of MetroDeal.com.
Wow, okay. And alright, so can you please share your experience with Metro Deal?
I think my experience with MetroDeal.com is really more about Ralph. When you look at Ralph is a 26-year-old young entrepreneur. He started MetroDeal.com when he was still 24 years old. He built the website using a free Wi-Fi connections in one of the burger chains. And there was a study by Bangko Sentral. There was a study, and it was supported by Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas Governor Amado Taco Jr. 2 to 3 years ago. And he said that by 2040, we are about to hit the demographic sweet spot, where the average age of the Filipino would be 24, and that will be next year. So that means that those young people, they can either be entrepreneurs or people who are employed. And when you meet a person like Ralph, who owns one of the top websites in the country, I think he represents the face of the future of e-commerce entrepreneurs in the country. And I think that is why, for those of us who have been in this industry, should be supportive of young entrepreneurs like him, and so that he will serve as an inspiration for others who would like to do well in this space. And only proves that age is not really a barrier. If you're really that passionate, you belong to a younger generation who understands what this community is all about, and growing up with it, then there's a big potential for you to really become an influencer and really shape what the future of e-commerce will be in the Philippines.
I agree with what you said. One of the first things I recognized about Ralph was that he's really young and he started up a great empire as well, and it really does.
It's like okay,
I'm gonna go.
where did it go wrong?
Oh no, what's going on? So, but he's out there inspiring people and everything. So fantastic. All right. And if there was one key to success, what would it be, by the way?
I think one thing that we can give is all about focus. I think when you look at Ralph, he has experience working with book buying sites before, and I think using all of that knowledge and understanding of the local market and having a better understanding of how to do it well allowed him to become successful. So it's all about looking at your strength, looking at things that you're passionate about, and build something towards it. And if you are that committed, you'll be attracting like-minded people who can feel your passion. And I think that will be an important part of success.
Fantastic, thank you. And if we can just give a congratulatory message to MetroDeal or Ralph?
Yes, to MetroDeal.com, to Ralph Launch and family of MetroDeal.com. Congratulations for being a top performer so proud that e-commerce in the Philippines is taking a very positive shape. You're proving yourself to be a positive influence in this country, and I hope that there'll be more entrepreneurs who will be more inspired by what you do.
All right, thank you very much for your time, Janette.
Thank you.